So guys, you all are welcome to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use one WhatsApp account on two different phones. So if you have been wondering how to do this, stay to the end of this video and you get to learn how you can achieve that without any stress. So the very first step you want to take is you want to proceed and download WhatsApp on Play Store. So go to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Let's search for WhatsApp here. So you want to download WhatsApp on the second phone you intend to use. So I'll search for WhatsApp. Once I search for WhatsApp, even though I already have WhatsApp here, so let me just use the opportunity to update my WhatsApp. So for you, you are clicking on install because you intend to use it on this second phone. So let's wait for this to install. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. So this is almost done downloading and it's now installing. All right, now so this is done installing. So next thing you want to do is you want to click on open. So once you have this on your phone, after installing it, you want to click on agree and continue. So you click on agree and continue. So over here, instead of it to go ahead and add a phone number here, you don't want to do that, because if you do this, you successfully log yourself out of the other WhatsApp, out of the main WhatsApp. So the best thing you want to do at this moment is for you to click on these three dots up here. So once you click on that, you can see link as companion device. Link as companion device. So click on that. So once you click on that, then there are some instructions here. Open WhatsApp on your primary phone. So let's go to our primary phone and open WhatsApp. So this is my primary phone. So the second instruction says tap menu, and they gave you the sign of the menu, which is the three dots on Android or settings on iPhone. So you can use this on iPhone and Android. It works on both phones. So I'll go ahead and tap menu, which is this three dots up here. Once you tap that, so the third instruction says tap linked devices and then link a device. So you can see linked devices here. So you tap on that. So you can see they said point your phone to the screen to capture the code. So right here, I'll click on link a device. Then they said, okay, let me use mobile data. And they said we should point our phone to the screen to capture the code. So let me go and capture the code right here. So by now your camera should be activated and ready to capture the code. So now I've successfully done that and it's already logging me in. Can you see it's loading chat on the other phone? Can you see that? So it means we've been able to successfully add our WhatsApp to the other phone. So I just backed off. Let's see if it's the same WhatsApp that it will show once this one completes loading. So it's still loading. Let's wait a bit, guys. All right, it's done loading now and it's already initializing. So once this is done, then you'll be able to see your chats on this second phone. So let's wait for this to complete. Can you see? This is just so perfect, guys. So awesome. Every chat on this main phone is now showing on the second phone. So if you want to actually log out the phone, maybe you are done using this feature, just come to the three dots up here, then go back to where you have linked devices and just tap on Android 13. Then you'll be able to log out the phone from it. So guys, that is basically how you get to add a second phone to your main phone, or that is how you get to use one WhatsApp on two different phones. So I believe you got value. If you did, like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.